Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about some of the most important life lessons that can guide you toward a happier, more successful, and more meaningful life. The truth is, life doesn't come with a manual. We all learn through experience, mistakes, and reflection. But if you pay attention to the wisdom of others and learn from the lessons life teaches us, you can save yourself from unnecessary pain and make your journey smoother. So let's explore some powerful life lessons that everyone should understand as early as possible. The first lesson is that time is your most valuable resource. Many people think money is the most important thing, but the truth is, money can be earned, lost, and earned again. Time, however, once gone, never returns. Wasting time on things that don't matter, on negativity, or on people who don't value you is one of the biggest mistakes. Learn to value your time and spend it wisely on growth, learning, relationships, and experiences that add meaning to your life. The second lesson is that failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of success. So many people fear failure that they never even try. But the truth is, failure teaches you lessons that success never can. Every setback is an opportunity to learn, to grow stronger, and to improve. Successful people are not those who never fail. They are those who never give up after failing. If you embrace failure as a teacher rather than an enemy, you will move much faster toward your goals. The third lesson is that your health is your true wealth. Without health, money, fame, and success lose their meaning. Many people sacrifice their health chasing after success, only to realize later that they can't enjoy what they've earned. Take care of your body, eat well, exercise regularly, get enough sleep, and protect your mental health. A healthy body and mind are the foundation for a successful and fulfilling life. The fourth lesson is that your environment shapes you more than you think. The people you surround yourself with, the content you consume, and the habits you practice daily all influence who you become. If you spend time with negative people, you will feel negative. If you spend time with motivated, positive people, you will feel inspired. Choose your circle wisely and build an environment that supports your growth. The fifth lesson is, money is important, but not everything. Yes, money provides security, freedom, and opportunities. But if you chase money blindly without balance, you may end up rich in your bank account but poor in your heart. True wealth is not just financial, it's also emotional, spiritual, and relational. Aim for balance, work hard, invest wisely, but also nurture relationships, passions, and your inner peace. The sixth lesson is gratitude changes everything. Life is not always easy and challenges are inevitable, but gratitude shifts your focus from what is missing to what is already present. When you learn to appreciate the small things, your family, your health, a meal, a good friend, even the air you breathe, life feels fuller and more meaningful. Gratitude turns ordinary days into blessings and challenges into lessons. The seventh lesson is that comparison is the thief of joy. With social media, it's easy to compare yourself with others and feel like you're behind, but everyone has a unique journey, and what you see online is often just the highlight reel. Stop comparing your life with others. Focus on your own progress, your own goals, and your own happiness. The only person you should compare yourself to is who you were yesterday. The 8th lesson is, communication is one of the most powerful skills you can develop. Whether in your career, relationships, or personal growth, the ability to express yourself clearly and listen deeply is priceless. People who can communicate effectively often achieve more than those who only rely on technical skills. Invest time in improving your communication. It will open doors you never imagined. The 9th lesson is happiness comes from within, not from outside. Many people chase happiness in possessions, achievements, or validation from others. But real happiness comes from self-acceptance, from living in alignment with your values, and from being at peace with yourself. Material things can give you temporary joy, but true contentment comes from within. And finally, the 10th lesson is, life is short, so make it meaningful. Too often we delay happiness by saying, I'll be happy when I get this job, when I earn more money, when I buy a house. But life is happening right now. Don't wait for someday. Live fully, take risks, follow your passions, spend time with people who matter, and make memories. The purpose of life is not just to exist, but to truly live. In conclusion, life is a journey full of lessons, and the sooner you embrace them, the better your journey will be. Value your time, embrace failure, take care of your health, choose your environment, balance money with meaning, practice gratitude, avoid comparison, communicate well, seek happiness within, and live with purpose. These lessons may sound simple, but living by them can change your life completely. If you liked this video and found these lessons helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more powerful content on life, success, and personal growth. Your support helps us continue creating content that inspires and empowers you.